siasa.
Yes.
Za nyakati zile.
Za wakati uliopita na za mambo kileo. Yes. You see, politics has really changed and shifted. And the civic education negative aka kero nikarehire maundu maingi muno.
Gatiba no ya 2010.
Yes. Such that to some good extent politicians are answerable to the electorate. Yes. Onoko ndugucokia muno ri haria turoraga. You see, there was a time and MPs ya mekua amwe noko imatiui kwi hindi mubunge they used to do practically nothing. Practically nothing. Just sit in parliament and attend harabis.
Yes. And you are called muheshimiwa.
Yes. Ajiremeta mojube. Member parliament. Yes. And you can tell todore Ramon Maria CDF wekete those things had never been done.
By the kuma CDF yokari. Ona ne ashajiria scope ya MPs.
Yes. MP ni athia constituency yake agakwama kuthi kutaigire na ngari and he would not give a hoot.
He would not care.
He doesn't care. Ati akora ciria maguru matheri akora ira thitare dirisha. They did not care.
Not even a single moment.
MPs were functionally useless back then. No, it is true. Ask the elder people in society. Nimekora ku MP mateka onaki.
Actually, batukoma ciori.
Yes.
Abuge, they were more loyal to the ruling party.
Yes.
Than even to the electorate.
Actually, the only thing you had to do back then was get the Kano ticket because there was no other ticket.
We bora we ni ukoro we Kano.
Yes.
Na ukoro na tigiti wa Kano.
Yes.
Na uine jogo.
Ukoro raifu member na uge mutukufu rais.
Bas.
Nowadays it is not easy to be an MP.
No, especially this side of
the mountain.
Sio rahisi.
It is not easy. Lazima ujikakamue kama wakina Dedi Nyoro.
Ni uruta wira.
Wakina Kihongi. Na wonu. Yes.
Ni uruta wira na wonu.
My MP Tene, they used to go get elected and come back to their business.
And they are comfortable.
Godhuru was a festival.
Festival ya thirari.
Yes.
Wewe unarudi kwa mambo yako.
Exactly. Because convince me. Unatoka omwe na MP. Fara yakwa nyumero ndiagitera mi ever. Gutiagite thitima ever. And you have had the MPs since independence.
Imagine.
Yes. We tokange mari. Rami to ameona way later. Thitima the same. And they were MP. The only thing that would come nego kana harabe na cia kimacho kama gathi nayo.
Mushoke mumurire ruhi.
And you see, people were not informed. Matiamenya guo na mataririo. Yes. Ciana ihuthirwo kumuinira kumurutania. No bado. They would do nothing.
Ubuthiri.
Mothe gutwika MP ri. Ugiagwo rugongo wiki ithatu ri. Unless the electorate are told you are not well or you are away. Ona we MP ri. Maida maya turi ri. Ni magwithima muno mathaa maria urahe the powers that be and the electorate. Yes. Neru no atiri ocio tura na president ocio matura na wa munyoro.
No ginyo balance.
Yes. No, we know. No, Kuona MP was like seeing a Greek god from Olympus.
No, actually, if you are nobody, you would not even be allowed in their clothes.
Well, I mean, they were demigods.
They were MP.
Well, who are you? No, kako ginya mwethe ginya goko cianyu athina cio ciothe. No, MPs were demigods and demagogues.
Hey,
siasa ne ciari define muno negative aka twina kuri
muno na maundu macenjia muno especially rukatiba gacenjia
uhoro wege NGCDF ndiari kuo hiyo pesa ilikuwa inaenda wapi?
Nani anajua?
Ilikuwa inakuruo
maundu megie basari
ni mundu wari MP matuko mauri well maybe they would lay claim to legislation because largely that is the only thing they would do but legislate what? Keto kotiare trickle down and now the challenges were the same
mashida kila mahali.
Umuthi ni uguthie kiharu wone ihi ni arahuka ukira kundu kuna ni uthikangi maone ihi he maundu marekwo we
itaramonete kundu kungi.
Tene every place had the same challenges.
Mashida barabara, maji, stima na mashure. Come on.
You know, if you think about it, that was a heavy miaka twate business ya thirikari, heavy wastage.
Na miaka mingi muno yoreire ithi.
Yes.
Itari undu ngita substance wekirwo.
Yes. Makansura mahende wira wao wari kurana na ite county hall. I mean, tari ukansura wakwa nyune kiamwekeire. Ya Tene
agere ona ndresi ona ikia kura no tutiatauka go exactly ona muramuthura wa gwika atia.
Yes. Mwathura mundu riu ri aya ni maturutira moi. Only those are in a position to demand anything. There is even a common one on social media will say,
no.
Mudosi ya menyo. Yes.
Natha rino twaga guthondekerwo.
Guku ndakanoke gwetia ke.
Kura.
Tondu ndakona. Back in the days they used to have. Na nikio tuona business yao mehakite thiriga wa muthanga mubaga. Magiturira.
Ubuthi uko mubunge wakaja wa guthurwo na kura ri.
Yes.
It's a heavy responsibility.
Tondu tha ici ri ask yourself tha ici ni tu number plate ya mwesimiwa kihungi hakuhe ngari ciake
ciothe
tondu cionaga kundu kuriku
kuria matura
the same na kwanyu kwa didi and what have you tene ngari ya muheci ri twamenyaga cia the key players Kamotho Matiba mameini yes Jojo the big ones General Kayafa but the MPs we do not know what they used to do.
No, actually new gay karire miaka over 5 years.
Yes.
Utari wana MP na maitho.
Kanoko na project yati ya MP.
Iriku.
You know nothing. Yatere andwara mutaru makureire yego gwitu ri between 19 maybe 88 85 and 95 they never saw anything.
Nio nikio nakura he miaka yoreire utari undu substance ungiruga mati ungiuga bekirwo.
And we are slowly now going turikiti horo cio kahora utari githurano giki uko ya 27 ri I can bet you me guthiako na wevu watu watangalia kazi
track record
na kama hujafanya kazi hautarudi
hata ukue kwa ile chama itakuwa popular
hata usikwe mabega na nani hata waulize mundu ni huyu
ni ukero hadharani tiwe
yes Tene elections were just shambolic PR exercises but you want to mathi wiki akura mundu mutakona actually after 5 years ndio amuona yes
na actually on a head campaign they never used to invest a lot.
No, they would just get a few elders. Mauya modo ni oyo ni katare modoni. Yes. And they used that those were the edges of two bokras. Yes.
Dakura wa fatara ukoro wiro yo gwikano yo ukoro uheo tigiti wa kano bas
na uge mzee Moi baba rais Moi
bas
yes I tell you
uyuria bendera
wega kwa siasa za ijogerie guthaka te MP huta shagurio
actually ono ngithurwo ri ono kiuga ni ukuregenyuka ugi atiriri ndagithurwo ati ndikuruta wira my friend iyo miaka etano ni ukuona rukungu.
And you know that was the age of the dynasties tondu wakora mundu akoretwe mubunge wakono since independence akaginya entitlement nĩtagwa Kenya.
That you cannot do that.
Since independence and there some people live to see nothing. Mona maendeleo thutha with the younger crop of legislators. Yes. I am not mentioning names, but some very big names in this country did nothing.
No, nothing.
Absolutely nothing for their areas.
They just worked for the ruling party, period.
Yes, they worked for the ruling party and looked big and powerful, period.
Ena ikomira 43. Tugicokere